Sneak peek into today's color swatch. So we're still with Reoccurring Gleam because there are several different baby pinks in my Pure Ice collection. Yesterday we did Pure Ice Rosebud, which is a pink with a gold shift. It is a pearl essence, which is why it wasn't a complete dupe. This is just a creme with a gold glitter, but this one, oddly enough, reminds me more of this one than it does this one. However, these look like they're more in the same color family because of that pink creme base. This one applies more like a chrome than it does a pearlescent. It is very sheer. This OPI, on the other hand, isn't as sheer as the previous OPIs that I've swatched that required minimum 5 coats to reach full opacity. This one actually went on in 3. I actually found this one a little bit on the thicker side and ended up thinning it out. I like it a little bit better thinned out. I'm not sure if maybe this bottle was opened and air got to it, and that's why it kind of got a little thick. But regardless, I do think it's a really pretty color. I really like this color. It's actually quite gorgeous. It's like a bridesmaid's pink. Anyway, so we'll be doing this one today, and then tomorrow we will be going in with this one, which is Frosted Ice Petal. This one does not have a backup. These two do have backups, so I didn't have an issue washing them off right away and going in with the next swatch combination. But because this one is a unicorn, we're going to keep it on for a week. So we'll do the next OPI comparison color in a week, which also has now, being compared to other unicorn shades that I have, which don't have backups. So those will be tapered back to weekly swatches. Because like I said, I want to enjoy the color. You can't replace it that easily anymore, and you can't replace it at all. From what I'm finding, you can't find really dupes for these guys, which is a shame. But regardless of that, I want to be able to wear it for a week. If I'm out and about grocery shopping or something, it gives me the opportunity to look for a dupe or possibly pick up something that's in similar color family to check out. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, so I've been ranting long enough. Bye for now. See you later. Bye-bye.